how you can fix TikTok profile view option not showing. Now the TikTok profile view option is this one right here. If you go to your profile, you'll see this 2-foot looking icon right there. This is the profile view feature. Now if it's not available to you guys, I'll teach you guys how you can fix that. But before that, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. So the first thing you'll want to do is make sure that your TikTok is up to date. Now to check that, open up your app store, search for TikTok and just open it up. And if there is an update available, make sure that you've updated it. And check your TikTok again. And if you still don't have the profile view feature, it might be because TikTok has not released this feature in your region yet. So now what you can do is just go to your settings. Now this is in case TikTok has released the feature but is not working for your mobile phone. So what you'll have to do now is go to general under your settings and go to iPhone storage, and now just scroll down till you find TikTok. Now let us search for TikTok. Now after you find TikTok, just offload the app and reinstall it back again. And after doing that, you should be able to get the feature. But if you still don't have the feature, you can always go to settings and privacy, scroll down till you find report a problem, tap on report a problem and create a report ticket. All you need to do is just file an issue and they will fix the problem for you. So this is how you do it, guys. This is how you fix your TikTok profile view option not showing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.